morning. This is receptionist here. Can I help you? Excuse me, I would like to ask about the AC in my room. Why it didn't work well? I'm so sorry. May I know your name and the number of room, sir? I'm Mr. Vindavan, in room 52. Okay, sir. Please wait a moment. I will call our technician as soon as possible. We're waiting for technician. Do you need anything, sir? Yes. Can you bring me a bottle of water? Okay, sir. We will bring a bottle of water for you. So please wait a moment. If the AC is still broken, can I move the room? I'm sorry, sir. The other rooms are full right now. Okay, thanks. Hello.